Hello to you, all nice people who have tuned in to this video. I'm JK. I greet you and promise that this video will not leave you the same. Thank you from wherever you are watching from: USA, Canada, UK, parts of Africa, and all different parts of the world. I'm going to explain the causes of broken edges and hairline loss, and also how to get out of this problem. This time I'm working on my sister, who all along has been with a problem of hairline loss, yet she always wanted to have distressed locks. As I start, I'll take you straight to reason number one why your hair break. Yes, this is the reason number one: you overstress it. You see how we do it? This is an easy way. Why do you do difficult things yet they have less value? I simply start my theories, and in one way or the other I make sure there is room for the hair to breathe. Different hairdressers have a tendency of locking hair or using too much force when braiding distressed locks or butterfly locks. This is not good. You are already weakening the hair, hence leading to breakage. Yes, I'll take you to reason number two for hairline and hair loss: using a very big volume of the braids. Yes, it matters a lot how big your strands, and you have to make sure that they match with the size of the boxes. Most people hold small hair and put big braids. This is going to weaken your client's hair, and eventually it will start to break over time. So make sure you use reasonable braids according to your boxes. The bigger the boxes, the less bigger the braids. And when the boxes are small, you should also use a small portion of the braids, as you are going to see, as I'm going to show you now. I do it. I'm going to do it like this. You watch this next step. I'm going to show you the portion of the braids you have to use and size of the boxes that it has to be, in order to avoid hair breakage, and it will help in your hairline restoration. Thank you from wherever you are watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. Yes, now here I'm trying to make my line. I'm trying to make my line and partition my boxes. I try to put a little gel. To help in holding the hair and making my boxes neat. Also, this gel works as hair food. I'm using molding gel. You can use any type of gel if you feel like. Now you see the portion of the hair I'm holding. It's just reasonable enough. So that my hair is not stressed and it is not weakened. You see the portion of the braids I'm having here, and you see how I try to crochet it into my hair. This is just trying to match with my boxes. The boxes are a bit smaller, a bit small, and also my braids has to be a bit small so that my client doesn't feel the weight of the braids and the braids doesn't weaken the hair of my client. Right away, I'm going to take you to reason number 3, and this is very, very vital, though people don't give it attention, but it must be given attention because it is also very vital. Yes, reason number 3 is like a caution. Please don't crochet your braids on the deeper scalp end. Don't crochet your braids on the deeper scalp end. Make sure you crochet it a few centimeters from the scalp into your threes. This will leave your scalp undamaged and your client will have no pain at all. You are going to see this right now. You're going to see this right now as I do it, and you've already seen it when I was doing the other strands, the previous strands. Yes, I'm trying to make my box. I want to show you this how I crochet the hair and my threes, rather how I crochet my braids, my extension braids and my threes. Yes, I do it a few centimeters from the scalp. You can see as I do it, you can see it. It's a few centimeters. I don't do it straight away. I don't start straight away from the scalp end, no. Yes, thank you. Let me leave you to enjoy this video. Thank you for following, for subscribing, and for liking. If you have any questions, please go into my comment section. I will be right here to answer you. Don't forget to give thumbs up to this video, and a lot more beautiful videos and hairstyles are coming on board. Please be tuned in, share to your friends, to your families, and to all your dressers out there. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.